H&B Sensors is a family-run business, established in 1978 with the goal of transforming our temperature measurement expertise into a globally trusted brand. Real-world results depend on precise solutions, so we take the time to get to know our individual customers' needs. Our industrial range covers the spectrum of standard sensors, and for unique challenges, our R&D team will work with you to create a bespoke solution. We invest heavily in stock components to ensure we have exactly what you need, exactly when you need it. We manufacture RTDs, thermocouples, Thermowells, and level float switches out of stainless steel, Hazardous and Monels, using state-of-the-art manual and CNC machines. Our reputation as an industry leader is thanks in no small part to our experienced sensor assembly team. Rigorous checks by our in-house QA team ensure quality continues to be the cornerstone of our success. We securely pack and rapidly ship products around the globe. With over 40 years' experience delivering solutions you can rely on, innovative technologies, engineering knowledge, and world-class customer service are just a few of the reasons our customers depend on us.